back to my channel and welcome back to another DIY room decor video. I hope you guys enjoy this. As always, everything is very affordable and simple to make. I'll have the materials I use listed in the description box down below for you guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let's jump right into it. For the first DIY, we're going to be making this concrete vase, and this is super simple to make. You're just going to need some concrete mix and water and a glass vase of your choice. So what I did here was just started mixing the water with the concrete mixture. You pretty much are gonna get a pancake batter consistency is what you're going for. So keep adding in more concrete or water as needed until you get the desired consistency that you want. And I just left the concrete mix in the cup because you're actually going to take your vase and add it directly to the cup. I just pushed it down maybe about 2 inches into the concrete mix, and then after I was done, I took it outside and I let it dry overnight. As you can see here, I just took some scissors and sliced the edges off and then removed it. The bottom part is going to need to dry for maybe an additional 30 minutes. I took some sandpaper and just sanded off the rough edges, and after that you are all done with your brand new floral vase. You can even add some water and a real plant to this as well. For the next DIY, I went ahead and revamped just a really plain jewelry holder that I found at my local craft store. I will try and link this down below if I can find it. But basically, I started off with this hammered finish spray paint. It adds really nice texture to anything, and I like it because you really only need 1 coat of it. So I went ahead and covered the whole jewelry holder with that. And moving on to the concrete portion, you want to make sure that you have really fine concrete. So I went ahead and took all of the rocks out of it. And then again, you're just mixing to the same consistency. You want like a pancake batter. I went ahead and added the concrete to the base of this nice and slowly. And then once you've added a good amount of concrete, you just want to tap it on a hard surface to make sure it gets all the bubbles out and it lays flat on the jewelry holder. After that, I took it out to dry overnight. And it's as simple as that. You have your new revamped concrete jewelry holder. I think this looks so expensive and it was actually really affordable to make. I love candles, so I definitely wanted to figure out how I could use some concrete and candles in this DIY. So for this, I just took a glass jar, went ahead and mixed up a decent amount of the concrete. I needed about 2 bowls of this, but I just added the concrete to the bottom of my little glass jar. Again, just making sure it was nice and even and doing the same kind of technique I did before, just kind of tapping it on the table because this gets all the bubbles out. Any excess water will come to the top and it will just be nice and even. So I decided to go ahead and add some tea lights into the mixture. And basically what you want to do is push them down, but not all the way in. And you're doing this because when the tea lights run out, you'll still be able to quickly and easily remove them and replace them by doing it this way. If you push them all the way in, it will be a lot harder to remove them when they are finished. So after you let it dry, you are all done with your brand new little concrete candle. Absolutely love the way this turned out, and it is reusable. So I hope you guys enjoyed these DIYs. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!